Hey guys, major damage tonight outside of New Orleans, Louisiana. Arabi, Louisiana, especially hard hit. Many injuries. Let's get back to some videos. This is crazy.
Get to your safe place. We've got a definite tornado that is moving northeast. Looks like it's in the lower 9.
Can we move that camera and track it as it goes?
There we are. So it's really racing. You can see some rotation around the main tornado. This looks like a wedge tornado. Now maybe lifting a little bit. Another spinning around it. Folks, this is something I hoped I would never see. That EF3 that we had February 7th, 2017 caused so much damage.
Right over New Orleans East?
Right.
It is huge. Oh my God!
Oh, that's crazy. Look at that shit.
It's blue.
Do you see it?
Thanks for watching. It's about to get really crazy.